Welcome to Vibe Coding 101 with Replit, built in partnership with Replit. In this course, you learn how to code with an AI agent using Replit. Replit provides a cloud environment that allows you to build, host, and share apps. And Replit's recently added a very popular coding agent that makes generating and hosting web-based applications fast. Coding agents are changing how we write codes. I still do a fair amount of software development myself, but now find that I count on LLMs to write most of the code for me. I'll typically take a problem and partition it into manageable blocks, and then spend time creating a prompt describing what I want and use the model to produce the code one module at a time. And this type of process is making me and many others much more and certainly much faster developers. I do want to note that as Replit is a cloud-hosted environment, we're unable to present the course on our usual platform, and so this is a video-only course. If you watch only the videos, you learn the key concepts behind using coding agents, as well as the process of using LLMs to write code, sometimes with you barely looking at the code itself, which some now call vibe coding. If, outside of watching the videos, you want to use Replit, you have to create a user account there. I'm delighted that instructors for this course are Michele Catasta, who's president of Replit, as well as Matt Palmer, who's head of developer relations.
Thanks, Andrew. We're really excited to present this course.
So, Michele, tell me, how have you seen development change with the rise of AI coding agents?
Well, Replit eliminates many of the barriers that prevent users from building and deploying applications. First of all, Replit provides a powerful code editor and a universal package manager, so you don't need to struggle with installation of Python and JavaScript packages. Source control is powered by Git, but we made it as seamless as possible for our users. And also, Replit offers built-in key-value stores, databases, and deployment solutions. But now, with Replit Agent, every person with no coding experience can create apps and deploy them in public. It will take you only a few minutes to start. Even if you did not know many of the terms I just used, you can still build an application. Matt will show exactly how to do it in this course.
So a popular term today is vibe coding, where you lean into letting the coding agent do most of the heavy lifting. We'll maximize the capabilities of the agent, but we'll also show how some planning can improve your results. Along the way, you'll learn some tips and tricks to get the best results possible from our agent. We'll start by building a search engine optimization or SEO analyzer. This is a basic app that will get us started and introduce some key concepts. Then you'll build a head-to-head voting app, which will showcase data extraction and storage. Throughout the course, we'll learn the basic building blocks of web apps. I think you're going to be surprised at just how much you can build. I know I certainly have been.
Tone your intuition on how to use a coding agent. Michele will also share some of the details behind how Replit is built. I hope some of these lessons that they learned building Replit, which is itself a sophisticated agentic workflow, will also convey useful insights for how you might approach building other agentic AI applications.
Yes, we learned quite a bit in the last year, and I'm very happy to share it.
Many people have worked to create this course. I'd like to thank from DeepLearning.ai, Hara Salami, and Jeff Lodway. All right, let's get started with the first lesson in the next video.